Meet the An-225 Mriya, the world's heaviest aircraft with a maximum takeoff weight of 640 tons. This one-of-a-kind miraculous mammoth of an aircraft was developed by the Antonov Company, which was founded back in 1946 with renowned aircraft designer Oleg Antonov at the helm, or in this case the cockpit. It can deliver super heavy, oversized cargo anywhere in the world, and it does this by carrying it either inside the fuselage or on external stores. This cargo area measures 43 meters long by 6.4 meters wide by 4.4 meters tall. The Antonov 225 is powered by 6 massive D18 engines, with each providing a whopping 229.5 kN or 51,600 pound force of thrust. This powerful aircraft, which is 84 meters in length and 18.2 meters in height, also has the largest wingspan of any aircraft in operational service at 88.4 meters. Its landing gear is huge and it's equipped with 14 wheels on each side. With its name Mriya, meaning dream or inspiration in Ukrainian, it's no wonder that this aircraft has made headlines worldwide. Antonov aircrafts have also set 500 world records, and this impressive aircraft in particular has set 242 world records and counting. It's also the inspiration behind Antonov Airlines' clever slogan, "No other name carries more weight." Originally, this robust aircraft was developed to transport the Energiya carrier rocket and Buran space shuttle between space facilities in the former Soviet Union. It embarked on its first flight on December 21, 1988, and then it eventually entered into commercial service in 2001. Subsequently, the Antonov 225 Mriya has operated flights to every corner of the world, carrying cargoes such as electrical transformers and mobile power generators. An extension of Antonov's mission is also to continue to support worldwide peacekeeping and humanitarian operations. The Antonov 225 service life has been extended and is expected to remain in operation until at least 2033. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.